Okay, this is Coach Sparks, and this is going to be the first lesson on creating a endless runner project. So we're going to be creating a fairly simple endless runner. So we're going to be using the Epic Games software, Unreal Engine 4, and I'm going to be using version 4.25.3 currently. If you do not have that, you will need this software to be able to complete this tutorial. So if you do not have it, you want to go to the epicgames.com and then go up here where it says Get Epic Games. You can click this, and that should take you over to install the launcher. Okay, it's already got installed, so I'm not going to do it. You would download that and go ahead and install that. So once you get that installed, when you come up, you will get a window something like this without any engine versions. So when you log in, you'll have to have an account. You log in, you'll be able to go to the Unreal Engine tab, over to the library, and you would actually launch an engine version. So once you would do that and this install, so it'll probably take a little while depending on your internet connection. Once you get that installed, you want to go ahead and launch this. And while this is launching and taking a few minutes, I'm going to pause the recording. And we'll be back when it gets up and ready. Okay, so when your launcher pops up, if you have any current projects, they'll be listed up here, and you've got categories down here. So we're just going to be using the games category. So if you'll click the games category here and then click the next button, it's going to bring you over here to all the different templates that you can use. And for an endless runner, we're just going to kind of like a temple run style project. We're going to be using the third person template. So if you just choose third person, kind of gives you a character that's already rigged and ready to go with camera settings and stuff like that and basic animation. So we'll save a little bit of time and we'll click the next button. We can leave all these settings here. We're going to do a blueprint project, and we'll leave everything else here the same. And you just have to find a location for your project. Generally this defaults when it's installed. We're just going to call this Endless Runner. I'm going to call it Endless Runner Online. And you can name it just Endless Runner is fine. So we'll create the project, and it'll take it a couple of minutes for this to load up. So we'll just pause while we're waiting. Okay, when your project loads up, you should get this beginning scene here, and we already have like a little built-in pre-level here, and a character is already in here. And up here, if you have the play button, you already have a character that has the ability to run around and jump and so on and so forth. So we'll be using this particular character, but we'll have some new ones in the future to choose from. So that project is pretty much already set up. So that's all we're going to do for this particular video, is just get the software installed and get your project created and set up. And in the next one, we'll start setting our project up for our endless runner.